A lack of intimacy makes me feel worthless. It makes me feel ugly. It makes me feel unlovable. Ingenza ngicabange ngayo yonke into engicabanga ukuthi wrong ngami, ingenza ngi-overthink ngayo, ngiyi-highlight and start making conclusions ukuthi okay, ngoba nginjena, ngoba ngikhuluma kanjena, whether indlela engibukeka ngayo iyona yenza ukuthi labantu besifazane bengangithandi, whether it is abantu besifazane, whether intombazane engafuni ukungiqoma, or whether umuntu wesifazane osengidampile. Kodwa I usually go back to this very sad and dark place uma siyenzeka lento le. And the opposite of that is that whenever I get like ama-response engiwafunayo kumuntu wesifazane, whenever I get intombazane, whether intombazane iyangiqoma noma inginika leyo attention leyo or any sort of affection, I always get euphoric, yabo. I always get ukubone mawubhema i-drug, yabo, nokushaya kwenhliziyo okukhulu mawusanda ukubhema inkantini nje okokuqala. It's the only drug I've ever taken. Kodwa kube into ethi ayibe kanjalo, ukuvuka nje ne-message, yabo, oh baby, laba inhliziyo nani nani. It stimulates me in a way that it changes the way I operate empilweni. It gives me i-motivation ebengenayo before her, yabo. I don't skip as many workouts. I try to push myself kuma goals and just try to be a better person now that this person is here. Maybe that's a good thing. Kodwa manje, nothing is good if it feels this good. It's like, ibeka kanjani lento? I-drug, umuntu mayebona ukuthi ukuba khona kwakhe empilweni yakho kuyi-drug kanjena, you become easy to control because they will take away or use lento le abakunika yona ukuze bethole into abayifunayo kuwena, because wena usuyisigqila sabo. Uma uthi uyi-drug addict uyisigqila nje mfethu. So lo muntu oyi-drug dealer lakho, which is in this case is the girl, kumina cine isiyuza ukuthi ngoba lona u-addicted to ama-message ami, u-addicted to ukufika kwakhe ezongivakashela lana, u-addicted to i-sex yami. I will withhold that in order to control him. And umuntu ngampela oyisigqila semizwa yakhe, it's easy to control and manipulate them. And it goes so far to the point where I see ukuthi lo muntu uyangimanipulate, kodwa the lack or the overthinking kanjani lento, it goes to the point where I see ukuthi lo muntu ungenza isilima, kodwa ngoba mina ngiyisigqila salento lena akanginika yona, I tend to just overlook lokho. It's like my self-respect goes out the door as long as mina ngiyitholile lento le. And kunesisho esithi a hungry man will eat anything, and nami I'm the hungry man who accepts all sorts of treatment, who accepts all sorts of behaviors, ngigitshelwe ekhanda, kudlalwe ngami, as long as ngiyitholile lento le engenza ngizizwe normal, engenza ngizizwe lovable, engenza ngizi-accept nami, because it's like I'm yearning for that. And kuyingozi ngampela ukubeka i-validation ne-self-worth yakho komunye umuntu, because what happens uma lo muntu engasakuniki this validation? What happens when lo muntu engasayi-reinforce yonke lento beyi-reinforce kuwena? How are you gonna find the motivation to get out of bed? Uzoyithathaphi le drive ubunayo ukuthi uvuke ekuseni and not skip your workout and chase your goals and all of that? I find that I usually go back to square one whenever sesihlukene nalengane noma izinto ayihambi kahle. I sometimes literally find it hard to get out of bed ngingakayitholi imessage yalo muntu lona. Yabo ngibona ukuthi ayisengenzeka isilima ngempela lana kodwa ngoba sengi-addicted kuyona yonke lento, I overlook the red flags and just wait and just act as if that red flags are not there. And lento ingenza ngizibuza ukuthi, do I even know how to love? Because I claim ukuthi ngiyabathanda labantu laba whenever I'm with them. Excuse me. I claim ukuthi ngiyabathanda. Ngenza ngizibuza ukuthi, do I really love them or do I just love what they are giving me? Am I just using them for what they are giving me? Am I just feeling a void? Ngisebenzisa bona yini ukuthi ngivale lo mgodi enginawo ngaphakathi kwami? It's like kwamina I'm no better than them mawukuthi umuntu ongiyuzayo naye, because unconsciously ngiyabayuza nami ukuthi ngizizwe. It's like have I ever even loved at all? Eminye imibuzo efikayo leyo. And I wish I was not like this. I wish I loved myself. I wish I accepted myself. I wish I had positive self-reinforcement empilweni yami, engqondweni yami. I wish I didn't need umuntu wesifazane to make me feel whole. I wish I loved from a place which is not as lacking as the one I've loved from. And I wasn't always like this. There was, there was a time where I didn't need this stimulation from umuntu wesifazane. There was a time where I was just happy being me, happy being me before the woman. Yabo, I think kunenye ngibanjani lento. Kunesisho nje esikhona on the internet ukuthi yayimnandi impilo umuntu engakayiqali indaba yomjola. And that is true mfethu, nganginokuthula ongakwazi. And angazi ukuthi yonke lento yaqala nini, noma yaqala the first time I slept with a woman or yaqala ngokudelelana esikoleni ukuthi wena unantombi kanjani njani. It's like, and then I started placing my self-worth on how much I'm loved by women or how many women love me. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, I wasn't always like this. So what is the solution? What is the solution? Because ngiyabona ukuthi khona into wrong, kodwa ukubona ukuthi sometimes uyibona into wrong kodwa ungazi ukuthi how are you going to stop this? And it's the only thing you know, it's the only way you know how to operate, it's the only way to know how to act. And I can't undo what has been done. I can't unget what I got. I don't know when it changed, but I woke up one day and I realized, no man, why do I feel like this? Angisho ukuthi ukuthanda umuntu wesifazana kumele kungijabulise noma kumele kukujabulise. Kumele kukujabulise, kumele vele kukunike some sort of stimulation. Kodwa okwami mina I think it gets worse, and lokhu kuyavela uma sengasahambi ngale ndlela engiyifunayo ku relationship. Yabo, I stay longer than I should. Yabona nje kuningi engingakuthandi engikwenzayo cause of this. So yini solution? Isolution isimple, ukuyithanda nje. Ukuyithanda, ukuzamukela, ukuyinakekela without umuntu wesifazane. And lokho sengikuzamile, and it's easy to say ngomlomo kanjeni, kodwa it's hard to practice. And into engiyifisayo, kodwa enye solution engcono kunaleyo I think mina uNkulunkulu mfethu. uNkulunkulu ukubeka ithemba lami kuyena, yabo, because kunzima ukulibeka kumina. Mina nginjena nje, ngiyisoni, ngiyalekha, angizithandi. Mhlampe mangathola indlela yokuthi ngilwamukele uthando lwakhe, mhlampe ngizoqala ngibe right, ngizoqala ngibone ukuthi yini engiyideservayo. Ngizokwazi ukuthi ngingamdingi umuntu wesifazane, ngizokwazi ukuthi mase ngibona ukuthi ngenzeka isilimo, ngihlehle, ngislice, yabo. So uma ukuthi mhlambe nawe usake waba nale micabango kanje, noma waba nale nkinga kanje, tell me ukuthi yini eyakusiza wena. Thank you.